In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can repair guns here in Arc Raiders. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, to repair your guns here in Arc Raiders, what you're going to want to do, and you can do this in-game or from the menu, is actually open up your inventory. Now, I can do this by just hitting tab on PC, but your keybind or, controller bind might be a little bit different. But from here, what you're going to want to do is find whatever weapon you want to go ahead and repair. Let's just go ahead and pretend that I want to repair the Rattler 1. You're going to want to highlight the weapon, and then from here, either go ahead and press Y or triangle, depending on which console you're on, or just right click on your mouse if you are on a PC, and from here, just scroll down and you're going to see a repair tab. When you select this, this is going to display the required materials that you need to go ahead and, put on to repair your weapons. For example, I might need like one mechanical component and two rubber parts for this simple gun right here. If you have the materials, simply go ahead and select repair just like so. If you don't, you can always track your resources as well to make sure that you get the right resources and you're, notified immediately as soon as you do. But as soon as you hit repair down here, your weapon's going to be restored to full durability. That is how you can repair weapons here in Arc Raiders. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.